on the same team, and oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh my God.
Now back to the John Test Show on Life with Life.
This was not Math 101, he says. This was first grade math. 1. Conceptually, how big numbers and long distances work. Sharp took a group of soldiers outside to look at the full moon rising up over the Hindu Kush mountains. I said to them,
Oh, wow. That guy went right through a red light. Right through a red light. Should I be a witness? True. I thought it was the person going straight. The red, oh. I thought it was
something. 9:30. But it's like a couple days I did 10 and I did 9:30. And I'm like,
Oh my God! You gonna back into me?
JJ, back up!
Are you gonna
JJ, back up! Back up!
I'm gonna let her hit me. There it is. There it is. You backed into me. You didn't have your foot on the brake. It just I honked at you and you still just kind of.
You have to. I mean, there's your distance. I mean, what the heck?
I was stopped. I've got a camera if you want to try to argue it.
That's not my fault.
No, you backed into me.
No,
Your foot was not on the brake. Would you like? If you want to argue about this, we'll call the cops and they can review the video. How about that? If you want to argue about it, we can pull up my video.
I just need to know what's going on because I was just up right there and you just hit me.
No,
You're too close to me, man.
I was 5 feet away and you slowly backed up. I started honking at you, and then you backed into me. Just go. The light is green. The light is green. Just go.
Oh, I want to see if there's any damage on my bumper.
Oh, if there's damage on your bumper, it's your fault. I have a video. I have a dash cam that will prove you wrong.
Back up. You should back up. I want to see what's going on.
Sure. There you go.
I can see, man.
How about we get out of this intersection?
Pit, pit, pit.
You kidding me?
Oh, he got the wrong car. I didn't see the lights in the back. He had no lights on his car, and he was hauling. I thought it was the car. That's my fault. That's fault. It should have been a blue Mercedes, and he's in a Kia. That's my fault.
Clowns series. That clown over there, and now we got this clown here. Moving back's not going to help you. How will me moving back help you? How will moving back help you? I don't think you're very bright. I don't think driving's for you two. Next time take an Uber or the bus. Where do you want to go? You want to go in there.
You can't do video. Can you know that? This is illegal.
The beautiful people of Slough. Look at this. Look at this beautiful bit of driving. Stunning bit of driving. It's been going on about 20 minutes.
We'll do half an hour. 1 hour, 2 hours. Do you have an issue?
I haven't got an issue.
Then why are you with you? Why are you going with you then?
Amazing. Amazing. You are fantastic. Did you marry your husband for his driving?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Do you have an issue with me?
The beautiful people of Slough and their stunning driving. The beautiful people of Slough. I love you all.